Okay, for this one, the first thing you want to do is read over your answer choices. The last one, choice I, it says yes because Amy will give some back. It doesn't say anything about that. So you want to cross that one off right away. So part of taking a multiple choice test is to mark off answers that are definitely wrong. So even if you don't know the correct answer, you have a better chance of guessing it right. So I is definitely not it. So now we have three choices. So notice that they're comparing 3/8 and all of these to 1/2. So we want to compare 3/8 to 1/2 and see what we get. If you're comparing to 1/2, you are comparing the fraction 3/8 to 1/2. So you're comparing those. What you want to do is figure out what half of your denominator is to see how close it is to 1/2. So if you want to know if 3/8 is close to 1/2, what's half of 8? So if you have 8 of something and you're going to keep half and give half to a friend, how much would you get and how much would your friend get? Half of 8 means 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So 1/2 is the same as 4/8. So if you had 4 pieces out of 8, that would be 1/2. You'd have half of the pieces. So 3/8 is pretty close to 4/8. So 3/8 is pretty close to 1/2. The next thing is you want to look and see which one is smaller. So if you're comparing 3/8 compared to 1/2, you can do what I did earlier and multiply. 8 times 1 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6. So that means 1/2 is bigger because 8 is bigger, and 3/8 is smaller because 6 is smaller. So F says 3/8 is a little more than 1/2. Well, that's not true because we just showed that 3/8 is less than 1/2. So it's definitely not F. Then it says no, 3/8 is closer to 1 than it is to 1/2. So 3/8 is actually very close to 1/2, and it's less than 1/2. So it's not going to be G either because it's not closer to 1. That means it has to be H. It says yes, 3/8 is less than 1/2, and we showed that right here. 6 is smaller than 8, so 3/8 is smaller than 1/2.